February 4, 2026. Sundo ng apo, hatid ng apo, apostolic job, alas 4:13. Yan, labasan na yan, labasan ng apo. Yan, nagdadrive na ako dahil magsusundo nga, tapos medyo malungkot dahil siyempre kayo lang mag-isa. Ayan, so ilagay na lang natin yung ating mga reflection and thoughts. Papabot January, ay na, February 4. Magaling na yata mata ko eh. Oh, salamat naman sa mga espesyalista na gumagamot. Marunong sila. Marunong tayong gumamot, kaya lang dapat sigurado yung gamot na ibigay. Magbubusina tayo para malakas ang signal. Dapat hindi magbusina eh, kaya lang sorry. Hindi ko na ulitin. Last na busina na yun. Ano yung apo ko, ayun oh. Oh, palaro-laro lang yan. Yan siya oh, no. Ano kaya yung iniinom niya na naman na drinks? Yan. Ano, matagal umakyat. Ano? Katawa. Katawa. May katawa. May katawa. Oh, why? What's funny? What's funny? Huh? What's funny? Bless.
Miss Papa.
Ay, no. You hold.
Papa, the Lord.
You hold my hand. You hold. Do not bend and knock your head. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Wow, good. Thank you.
No, your eyes forever.
Water si Papa. Hindi ka ka-drive si Papa. Nag-ice si Papa.
Water.
What?
Gampang kami.
What are you playing? Yeah?
Ice.
Ice what?
Ice what?
How to play your ice water?
If you touching the players,
Huh?
you say ice, don't move.
Oh, and then?
Then if someone's there to touch you, water, you need to move.
But then someone touches you again, please. But then someone touches you again.
What? I don't understand.
Yeah, that's the player who says.
Huh? I don't understand.
Yeah, look, I have calamansi now.
You're drinking calamansi now? Ha?
Diyos, kung gini mo.
Aka mo na ng homemade? Oh, mas safety pang homemade.
Namin?
Yeah.
Wala mag-calamansi po, flower.
Oo, hindi ka magsuka-suka karon ha.
Ano ko no?
Nangayang calamansi lover.
You're a calamansi lover? You like calamansi? Yeah, that's used to be my favorite.
Ano sa me? That's a juice.
But I'm hyper acidic. Hyper acidic.
Ilan ka na? Hindi sa atin. Masarang.
Mhm.
Paano?
Po.
Pwede ka pa. Sarap mag-drink ka.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay. No problem. May kipag-abot na ako, naana mo da yun.
Bigla siya mag-answer sa phone.
Kung delay answers niya,
Kung dili answer natin,
hindi siya makagawas.
It's
What did you answer? Your exam?
sa iya man na
Ha?
nakalalay.
Assignment? Assignment? Yeah.
Matapos siya na yun.
Okay.
Kung nag-stand ako.
Ano?
Listen ka?
What?
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Nag
Today is Wednesday, so I can actually get what? Can you take me to the house because today is Wednesday and I have no tutor.
I will take you to the house because no tutor today. Yeah. No. No tutor. It's Wednesday. Yeah, right?
Hindi, sinong tutor sa'yo?
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Only in the night. Yeah, every night I answer my
Who is good girl? Who is good girl? Ate Tia o Chloe? Good girl, Chloe. Oh. Maando lang. Yeah. What? Ha?
in the
Si kuya mo? Liwin? Oh. Wait. Why?
Nakabulasot siya.
Nakabulasot ka? Nakabulasot ka? What did you do? What did you do? Oh, what did you do?
Can I watch?
No.
Can I watch the video?
No. Okay. Wait. Kuya Liwin na?
Abi ko pa Subaru yun sa akador mo pa.
Ay, nalipat ko. Masunod na lang. Mag-ilis lang ko early. I'll prepare early. Oh, bilis na. Kiss na. Kiss. Ulo.
Ay, nanay.
Kiss na ulo.
Ay, nanay.
What that's great.
Kiss na ulo. Kiss papa. Bungot.
Bye, day. Dari ka lang.
Bungot.
Uy, kabayo ka.
Oh, ano kabayo? Halong da. You wear your shoes.
Sabi na. Dara ka lang.
Dude, wait, I'm so lazy. No!
Maipit ng kamot. Oh, wait for the yaya.
No!
Wait for ate. Do not go down.
Tak, 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 tak.